Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to scan a Bitcoin QR code on Cash App. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick in this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to go and be opening up the official Cash App application. We need the application to be able to scan QR codes. So if you do not already have an application, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store right here on your mobile phone that you have and go to the search bar. Go to the search bar and search for Cash App, from which you're going to be able to find the Cash App application. Then you can download it, normally install it, and get started by logging in, either using your phone number or your login info, however you prefer. So once you have logged in guys, you're going to go ahead and be greeted by this main page right here. This is going to be the home page where you can go ahead and take a look at your cash balance. You have your savings and your options and everything else. And now we can get started. So basically guys, to be able to scan a QR code to pay anything you want, either in Bitcoin and so on, you can go ahead and do the following. What you want to do is click the dollar sign right here at the bottom of the page. Clicking the dollar sign in the middle of the page is going to go ahead and take you to the payments page, from which you can get started making any payments. And in the upper right corner in that new page is going to be the QR code sign. So you want to click in the upper right corner the button for the QR code, and once you open that up, your camera is going to open up and you can scan any QR code. So guys, what you can do is scan any QR code that you want to use for payment, scan the code, and it's going to go ahead and automatically fill out the details for payment, after which you can just go ahead and confirm the payment and pay what you have scanned. And that's how you can scan any code, either Bitcoin code or whatever else to pay, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.